So we're back. This is a Samsung motherboard that was brought in today by an engineer. It has a power problem. Checking through the power rail, the current dropped somewhere. As you see, we checked the charger. We have a 19 volts. Then check the first MOSFET. We have a 19 volts on the first side, but it looks like it didn't cross over. But when we bridge, you see the reflection of lights coming into the board, so that MOSFET needs to be replaced. So replacing the faulty MOSFET with a working one to see if it will correct the power failure. So this is we changing to the new MOSFET to be sure that it's where the issue is coming from. So let's power again and see if we'll get our voltage back to the board. And here we go. See the lights? It means the MOSFET is faulty initially, so we replaced it and our board is